In today's video, we're using the FCS carpet cleaner and stain remover, Euro microbial stain and odor remover, and a wet vacuum with warm water to remove hot sauce, barbecue sauce, mustard, and ketchup stains on a carpet. We started by applying the carpet cleaner 2 times to remove the surface layer of the stains. We then applied Euro 3 times to remove the deepest layers of the stains. And lastly, we used a wet vacuum with warm water 2 times to remove any excess product from the carpet fibers. These 2 products can be used together as the alkaline formula of the carpet cleaner and the microbial formula of the Euro do not counteract each other. The carpet cleaner and stain remover is for regular cleaning and removal of stains on carpets, rugs, and upholstery. It requires no rinsing, as an alkaline formula is biodegradable and leaves no residue. For the Euro applications, we let the product work for 24 to 72 hours between each application. Euro removes more than just food stains. It eliminates stains and odors from any organic source, such as sweat, mold, urine, or smoke. It is great for cleaning messes made by pets, removing odors from sports gear and car interiors, and getting sauce stains out of carpets. Euro is a powerful microbial cleaner for organic stains and odors that eliminates deep-set messes naturally with billions of active microbes that digest waste at the source. It's chemical-free, safe for the environment, and simple to use. Euro tackles a broad range of organic messes. As you can see, these 2 products eliminated 100% of the stains. To shop carpet cleaner and stain remover or Euro, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.